Once you have QuickBooks Payments, you can take payments directly from your customers. Let's go over how to add a payment option to an invoice and how your customer can make bank payments. Then we'll show you how to find out more info on all the payments you've received from QuickBooks Payments and what you need to do to keep your books accurate. Note that before you can accept bank payments, you must be approved to accept credit card payments in QuickBooks first. If you still need to set up QuickBooks Payments, you can learn how to do that here. First, let's add a payment option to an invoice. Select Create an Invoice. Make sure your payment options are turned on. If they are, you'll see them here. If not, select Payment Options from the Manage drawer and turn on the Bank Transfer option here. Note that QuickBooks charges a very low fee of 1% per transaction. Then, fill out your invoice. When you're done, select Review and Send. Your customer will receive an email with a link to pay your invoice using the bank transfer payment method that you've selected. Next, in the search bar, type Payouts. Each day, QuickBooks Payments combines all of the payments that are processed that day into a single deposit. You'll see each sale or payment that is part of the daily deposit, along with the fees that are charged with a separate transaction. It can take 3 to 5 business days for this money to show up in your bank account. When the money hits your bank account, you'll see your deposits in your transactions feed if you have your bank account connected to QuickBooks. Select Accounting and Bank Transactions. You just need to confirm it by selecting Match, and your books are up to date. You can also accept payments on the go with the QuickBooks mobile app. That's it. Now you're ready to use QuickBooks Payments to receive bank payments and get paid faster.